This is why you should avoid car meets. Oh no. Idiot was in reverse. And you just drove off. Yeah, wrecked the poor car. Idiot crashes rented Lamborghini after going 320 kilometers per hour. That's 200 miles per hour. You gotta love the sound the Lambo makes. It's absolutely beautiful. Are they Italian? Is that Italian that I hear? Oh, we didn't get to see the actual crash. Ooh, that looks pretty bad. Okay, could have been worse. And now it's on fire. Nah, alright, they're lucky they got away unscathed. In my town there is a pole at Walmart that has been hit at least 45 times now that I know of. That's a large compilation, 20 pictures of the same pole getting hit. That's ridiculous. It's never ending. Car goes airborne at toll booth. That was some height. That was some proper height. Driving through the intersection without fully checking. Ooh. Tram and a Firetruck. I guess someone's house is burning down today. Pedestrian, check out that car at the zebra crossing. Yeah, the cars are meant to stop. Just went straight for him. Person. Crazy nutter. And he just drove off. Impatient idiot gets instant karma. Okay.
Yes, there's a truck there.
Is he gonna get hit? Alright, stops the traffic. And he's not even going back into his spot. Yeah, he's gonna back up all the way. That's good karma right there. Group of motorcyclists speeding down a foggy mountain road with very predictable results. Okay. I mean, I assume I know what's gonna happen. But how is it?
Lists. Hey.
Oh, that's a car in their lane. How did he even get in there?
Get on the fucking road. Oi.
Yeah, this is dangerous. Mustang owner. I've seen this one before. Proper falls out the car. Oh, bless her. School bus stop sign means keep going. That's interesting though. I've never seen that before. Having an actual stop sign on a vehicle. His excuse was he blacked out. Happened to my co-worker yesterday. Oh, oh my god. Blocking entire lane that's merging after 100 meters. What country is that? Mustang doing Mustang things. Solo car accident. What do you think he was doing? Drifting? This Chinese self-driving car thing. What even is it? What? Is it a delivery truck? Did it just crash into something? Yeah, I think we should stick to driving. Traffic dodger get. Ah, and the police has got him. I was hit on my bicycle yesterday. Failure to yield. That's a nice Beamer. Okay. He was right in front of you. Why don't you stop? That was completely avoidable. Person was probably on the phone or something. Okay, what's gonna happen here? The area looks nice though. The road, not so good, but the houses look pretty expensive. Is that Beverly Hills? What's he honking at?